how social media can destroy an injury case. Want to know what I'm getting at here? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I am a medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland, and I would like to quickly talk with you today about some really important information. And this information deals with social media and your injury case. Now, I'm not going to get into the details about the specific ways that social media can be admitted into evidence. I'm not getting into all of that because there could be some variances with this from state to state. I just want to talk with you today specifically about some issues that can occur when we are talking about social media, specifically here in the state of Maryland. So the reason why social media can be very devastating to your case is because it can be used to contradict your position at trial or at your deposition. So I'm going to give you a quick example of how social media can play a role in contradicting what's going on. So let's say, for example, we have an individual who has been injured, and because of this injury, they are complaining about back pain, they are complaining about leg pain, and they are saying that essentially they can barely move. They need a walker to get around, or they need a cane, or they are just really having a hard time with their mobility. And according to them and what their doctor is telling them, this is going to be long-term. These are going to be some serious long-term issues. Well, let's fast forward into time, and let's say it's a little bit right before trial is getting started. They post some pictures on social media, and these pictures show this individual who, remember, said that they needed a walker and a cane and they had some serious issues with their back and so on. But they now post pictures of them horseback riding, having a great time. They post pictures of themselves rock climbing or hiking steep hills or bowling. I mean, bending their back. I mean, going all the way back, just having a good time with things. I hope you can see how the other side is going to try to use these pictures or this information on social media to directly contradict what the person bringing the lawsuit, what they were saying in their deposition, and based on what the information is that their doctor is telling them about their options going forward. Remember, they said that they had a very bad back and it was preventing them from moving and they needed a cane and all of these things. But now the other side has these pictures, or they have these videos from social media showing the exact opposite. So why have I taken the time today to talk with you about this really important information? Because I'm trying to give you insight into the Maryland medical malpractice process. I'm trying to help you understand some of the crucial issues that are present when we are talking about a medical malpractice case. I'm trying to help you to understand that in this day of social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, all of these other things that we have now in social media, how these things can be used to go against your case. If you have more questions about what you have going on, you would like to speak to me further about maybe a medical issue that you've had, you've been in care of a doctor or hospital, you've suffered a serious injury, or maybe your child has suffered either a brain injury at birth or a broken clavicle, have a brachial plexus injury, any of these type of things. If you have more questions and you would like to talk with me, this is what I invite you to do. And remember, taking this next action costs you absolutely nothing. And what is that action? To pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832. Or if you prefer, you could send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland medical malpractice and childbirth injury and wrongful death questions just like yours all the time. And I'll be happy to take some time and listen to your story. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC, and we will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.